Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start.
Good
Welcome
morning.
to your term 2. Yeah. Welcome to term 2 and theme 4, right? What is your theme 4 name?
Our universe.
Yes. It's our universe, right? So, ma, coming to like,
Ma'am,
yeah, who is this?
ma'am, Huria.
Yeah, ma, tell me.
Ma'am, in the exam, I got a question that Dash is a popular any application software used to create presentations on a computer. I
Hmm.
checked in the course book also, it was MS PowerPoint,
Okay.
but it came wrong.
What the answer it is showing?
MS Excel. Excel.
MS Excel. I'll check whether I might have kept option wrong. Maybe I mean typing mistake or something. If it is okay, I will give you okay marks.
Yes,
If it
ma'am.
is system's fault, also I should give you marks. Okay. I'll check first whether it is my fault or network. I mean system fault.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Right. Yes, ma. Coming to your theme 4, it's our universe. And how many subjects you are having? You know how many subjects? 6 subjects you are having, right?
Yes, ma'am.
English, Telugu, Hindi,
Telugu,
Maths,
Maths,
EVS and
ICT.
ICT, right? So, ma, our curriculum is designed in that way, like each subject is related to the other subject and also it is integrated. Integrated means integrated and thematic. Thematic means whatever the theme names you are having, that will be related to your subjects. Okay, and integrated means one subject will be related to the other subject in any way. One subject is related to the other subject. For example, if you take ICT only, last theme you have done MS PowerPoint, right? What is it? PowerPoint, actually it is a presentation. For presentation, in the sense, what you have done, that is nothing but art. Is it an art?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes,
art.
ma'am.
So in this way, ICT is related to which subject? Art. In the same way, theme 3 you have done MS Word, right? Theme 2, MS Word. So MS Word is a document. Document means what did you do in MS Word? You have typed documents, right? So what
Yes,
did you use in that? Which subject you have used?
ICT.
Oh, okay, ICT only. For typing documents, what is that you have done? You have typed letters, whatever it is, paragraphs. What in which what subject it comes under?
In
English, right?
English.
Yeah, English. So in that way, ICT is related to which subject? English. So in
English.
this way, each theme is related to subjects and subjects are interrelated with one another. So that is our BOMI's curriculum, which is not found in any other schools. Wherever, like, this is our specialty, like we have thematic approach and integrated approach in our curriculum. Means one subject is related to other subject in one of the other way, and also the theme names whatever we are having, that are also interrelated to the subjects. Like I think your EVS madam has explained you already, I think, how our universe, like how it is related, the name, how it is related to the subjects. Like EVS though, I know you would have like earth, moon, everything is related to our universe only. ICT, how is ICT means, in ICT also we can draw present our universe, right? We can draw sun, we can draw planets, whatever it is we can do with the help of ICT. So that is nothing but thematic approach, means themes are related with the subjects and subjects are related to one another. Like English is related to ICT, ICT is related to English, like that. So all the subjects are related to each subject in any other way. So this is thematic and integrated learning. Okay. Yeah. Now in this, what is, yes. Now coming, what is this term to?
And what we should open?
Don't anything. Just open your course books. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Term 2, what is this? Theme 4, right? And what is your theme 4 name? Our,
Our universe.
yeah, theme 4, our, one second. And our topic is now what it is? Pivot animator. Our lesson topic name is pivot.
What animator? I'm a downloader.
Ma'am, now should we write in notebooks?
Don't write anything. Who have downloaded it already?
Ma'am, what ma'am? Pivot and animator.
I mean,
Somebody said they have done
not
downloaded.
Samani.
Someone you have downloaded it?
Yes, ma'am.
How did you do it, ma? Actually, I was trying since yesterday. Like,
Ma'am.
yeah, I'm sharing 1 second. Yeah,
Ma'am, you have to write in notebook.
Amma.
You have to write in notebook, ma'am.
Yes, take out all your ICT classworks, everyone. 1 page. You write this with big letters, bold letters. Write this term 2, theme 4, our universe, and pivot animator. Completed? Shall I go to
Ma'am,
next page?
completed.
Next page.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Date, today's date, everyone. What is today's date? It's 9.
9, 10.
Here
Wait.
again you write pivot animator.
Ma'am, this also big.
No. Page starting you'll write na heading, that one.
Ah, yes, ma'am.
Down you write new words. So what is this? First one is animation. You can write pivot animation. Your topic name itself is a new word for you, right? Pivot animation. Next one is stick figures.
Ma'am,
Yes.
What is the meaning of tweening?
Tweening means that could be found in flash map. It's not in pivot. Means for tweening we need two keyframes for creating animations.
Okay, ma'am.
You can write that as a new word, tweening. And frames.
Ma'am, we should leave line.
Yeah, write neatly.
Okay, ma'am.
Timeline. So these 6 are the new words for you. Yes, ma. First one is pivot animation, stick figures, tweening, frames, timeline, hinges. Write neatly, everyone. In the word writing.
Ma'am, complete.
Okay. So your homework is to write this. Learn and write these new words one time.
Again we should write, ma'am.
Yeah, homework. In any book, in rough book you can write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Homework we should write in rough book, ma'am.
Mm. And send me.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you give some more keywords?
6 is enough, ma. 6 only are there.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
Everyone. Completed, everyone.